Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ClickBank for digital product promotions step by step clearly. To connect with ClickBank for digital product promotions, begin by visiting the ClickBank website. Create an account by selecting the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and payment details. Once registered, log into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace section. Use the search bar to find the digital products you are interested in promoting. Filter the results by category or popularity to narrow down your options. Click on the product title to view its details, including the sales page and commission rate. Review the product information to ensure it aligns with your audience's interests. If you decide to promote the product, click on the Promote button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your account nickname. Once you enter your nickname, generate a unique affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link for use in your promotions. Next, create engaging content to promote the product, such as blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Incorporate your affiliate link naturally within your content. Track your progress through the ClickBank dashboard to monitor sales and commissions. Stay updated on ClickBank's policies to ensure compliance while promoting products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.